velocity potential function for phi. So what is the equation? He has given velocity potential function. E is given by, this is the equation he has given. Phi is equal to minus x cube y by 3 minus x square plus x cube y by 3 plus y square. Okay, full stop. Calculate the velocity component in x and y direction. Okay, we don't know what is velocity component in x. Later we will write when you are writing given data. We need to calculate velocity components in x and y. That is a unknown number 1. First we need to find out. Second, check the possibility of such a flow, whether the flow is possible or not. How to check the flow is possible or not? That is using Laplace equation. If the Laplace equation is satisfied, then you can say it is a possible case of fluid flow. Okay. So this is asked in the year 2017 and 2018 in the previous university question paper. So first we will write solution. Step number 1. And dear students, here it is type 1 as well as type 2, because he has asked check the possible case of, it is type 1, and velocity component is also asked, that is x and y, is type 2. So both type 1 and type 2 mix. Step 1, given data. First, what type of function it is given? Clearly he has given phi symbol, so it is velocity potential function. Phi is equal to, I will write the function what he has given in the question paper statement. Okay, this is equation number 1. I will continue. 1. Calculate the velocity components in the x direction. Dear friends, what is the velocity component in x direction? That is u. It is equal to how much? Similarly, what is the velocity component in y direction? That is v. V is equal to how much? Understood? Velocity component u, it is in x direction, v is in y direction, and w is in z direction. Okay, so u, v, w are in x, y, z velocity components respectively. Next, find first what he has asked, check the flow is possible or not. Possible case of flow, the check mark. Possible case of flow. Second, okay, second other calculate first. This is we will take it as first unknown. This is a second unknown. Find. Okay. Find uv and as well as third. Okay. So how to check? How to calculate the velocity component u and v? It is, we need the formula. We will write the formulas now. Step number 2. So step number 2, velocity component u is equal to minus dou phi by dou x, because you already we discussed the definition. What is velocity potential function? Is the negative derivative of velocity potential function with respect to x direction, which is equal to velocity in that particular direction. Here I have considered x direction, velocity in x direction is u. Similarly, you write the formula. These are based on definitions. Okay, all we discussed in the previous video lectures. Click on this link, you will understand. So minus dou phi by dou y is equal to v. So I need u, I have written this equation. Similarly, I need v, so I will write v is equal to minus dou phi by dou y. So differentiate this equation phi with respect to x, you will get the value of u, or velocity component in x direction. So please, I will write now. So what is the differentiation of this first term with respect to x? Here y cube by 3, x as a constant. So minus y cube by 3 I will take as constant. So what is the differentiation of x? X differentiation is 1. So I will not write anything. Okay, minus sign is there in the formula, you take minus. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Plus is there in the formula, you take plus. What is the differentiation of x cube y by 3? We are differentiating with respect to x. So y by 3, x as a constant, you take outside. What is the differentiation of x cube? 3x square is the differentiation. Plus, here in the last term, it is y function. So we are differentiating with respect to x. So this will treat as a constant. So differentiation of constant is 0. So only 3 terms are there. So I will write those 3 terms here. Minus y cube by 3 minus 2x, and this 3 then the 3 get cancelled. So x square y is the value of u over. This is velocity component in x direction. Similarly, using this formula, you calculate velocity component along y direction. Okay. So v is equal to minus as it is. Here in the equation we should get minus, right? Here entire equation I need to take minus because in the formula it is minus. Okay, here this is the equation of phi. So entire equation I have to take minus. Okay, this I will take outside. I hope it is clear for everyone. Okay, so for simplification, what do you do? This minus into minus plus y cube by 3 minus into minus plus 2x plus into minus minus x square y. Actually, this is a final equation for u because in the formula itself it is minus is there. This is dou phi by dou x. For confusing the students, he has given the first term as minus. So many students will do the mistake here. So please don't do that mistake. Okay. So I am writing differentiation equation minus as it is in the formula. So you write a differentiation of phi with respect to y. Means equation 1 you differentiate with respect to y. So when you are differentiating this first term, the first term minus is there. First you take minus to avoid the confusion. So x by 3, x as a constant, minus x by 3 as it is, I will write. Differentiation of y cube is 3y square. Minus, the formula it is minus, so I have taken minus. Differentiation of x square with respect to y, it is 0. Plus, here x cube by 3, x as a constant, because we are differentiating with respect to y. So it is 1. Plus, differentiation of y square is 2y. Now you simplify this 3, the 3 get cancelled. So minus here is minus, here is also minus. So minus into minus plus. So x y square. This term I will not write 0 term, neglect it. Minus x cube by 3 minus 2y. This is the equation of velocity v. Okay, first what is as we have calculated. This is y. So u also you have calculated, and as well as v also you have calculated. Now a big challenge is whether the given possible or given equation is possible case of flow or not. So what is the condition for calculating or check whether it is a possible case of flow or not is we need to satisfy the Laplace equation. So step number 3 I will write. We'll write step number 3. Laplace equation is given by step number 3. The condition for possible case of flow is, what is the condition for possible case of flow is it has to satisfy the Laplace equation. The Laplace equation. Okay, there are 2 Laplace equations are there. Okay, that is with respect to phi and as well as with respect to psi. So in the given statement, it is phi function is given. So write dou square phi upon dou x square plus dou square phi upon dou y square is equal to 0. If you got these both are equal to 0, then you can make it as condition for possible case. So first you find out dou phi by dou x. Dou phi by dou x. So already we have calculated dou phi by dou x, I think. Here is the dou phi by dou x. So I will not take minus sign. Whatever the minus is there, I will keep it as it is. The inside term, that 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these are, I will take it as dou phi by dou x value. Okay. So I will write as it is minus y cube by 3. I hope you will see on the screen the top equation, the first layer of equation. So minus y cube by 3 minus 2x plus x square y. Or you can take this also same equation after simplification. Dear student, don't take minus here because dou phi by dou x we need. We don't want minus dou phi by dou x. Understood? So this is the equation. This is one dimensional, means first order derivative. I need second order derivative. So differentiate above equation with respect to x. So again, dou square by upon dou x square is equal to. So this term completely it is constant because we are differentiating with respect to x. So entire it is a constant because y is there, and 1 by 3 that is also constant. So 0 minus 2 because differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of these two, y treated as a constant, you take outside. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. So final equation is 2xy minus 2 is an value of dou square phi upon dou x square. Right? Yes. Similarly, you need to calculate the second order derivative, that is in terms of dou square phi upon dou y square. So for that reason, shall I write here only on the top of the page here only I will write, so that it will be visible for everyone easily. So dou phi by dou y, already we know the function of dou phi by dou y in step number 2, I think. Where is the dou phi by dou y? Yes, it is there, but I will not take minus. This minus is for velocity v. So I need only this term within the brackets. So what is within the bracket? Minus x y square, minus x y square. So I will write as it is. I will copy minus x y square, this term. 0 neglected, x cube by 3 plus x cube by 3 plus 2y. So this is first order derivative of velocity potential function with respect to y. We need second order derivative, no? So you differentiate that equation with respect to y, dou square phi upon dou y square. I have taken different colors so that you will not confuse with the left side derivatives. What is the differentiation of these? So minus x is constant, so minus x into 2y. So differentiation of this is completely 0 because it acts as a constant, 0. So into 2. So what is the final equation? Dou square phi upon dou y square is equal to minus 2xy plus 2. So this is the equation. Substitute these two equations. This equation as I will take equation number 3 in the Tagoranwa. This is 3. This is 4. You take this as equation number 2. So using equation 3 and 4, use equation 3 and 4 and substitute in equation number 2. So from equation 2, this is equation. So what is the value of dou square phi upon dou x square? Dou square phi upon dou x square is 2xy minus 2 plus, what is the equation for dou square phi upon dou y square? Here is the equation. minus 2xy plus 2. So it is equal to 0 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ check ಮಾಡೋಣ. We'll get 2xy minus 2 minus 2xy plus 2. So I'll get cancelled. So it is equal to 0. So hence it is satisfied a Laplace equation. The Laplace, hence it is a possible case of fluid flow. This line you must write in the result, okay, because they ask clearly in the question whether it is a possible case of fluid flow. This is an answer for that. So if this the given function is satisfied the Laplace equation and equal to 0, so hence it is a possible case of fluid flow.